Hey, and welcome back. Today I wanted to give a quick update on the game and show some progress that I've made, specifically on one of the characters in the battle UI. So right now I'm still in the early stages, but here you can see the battle UI starting to come together. The goal here is definitely an old school look, and I'm not trying to make everything super polished or hyper realistic. I've always loved the charm of older, more pixelated games. And honestly, if you're looking for something super realistic, this probably won't be for you. And that's totally okay. This project is very much a passion thing for me. I'm making the assets, environments, and the coding all by myself. And if I haven't said it before, I'll say it again. I'm not an expert at any of this. My main background is actually music. Because of that, I'm holding off on composing anything, at least until I have a working demo. I also haven't implemented the actual battle mechanics yet. I really wanted to make sure that the UI worked first, before building everything underneath it. Here's a closer look at one of the characters. His name is Scraps. A lot of the finer details you see here won't fully carry over into the game, and these aren't actual 3D models that will be used in real time. I'm using Blender to create the models and then exporting them as sprites. And maybe that's not the proper way to do it, but I like how it looks, and more importantly, it works for me. These definitely aren't final designs right now. I'm focused on making sure that the bones of the game are solid before I start obsessing over the skin, so to speak. Back to the UI. Of course, you've got basic HP. Every character will also have SP, which will be used for special abilities like healing and magic and things like that. You can also see the character's name and their level, and another stat called Move. The idea behind Move is that each character has a certain number of movement spaces based on their level. During battle, those spaces determine where the character can be positioned. This might sound a little confusing now, but once the battle mechanics are in place, it should be, or at least I hope, it should make a lot more sense. I also wanted players to be able to clearly see how close they are to the next level. And finally, there's the DESP meter, which stands for Desperation. Like most RPGs, characters will have a powerful special move that only becomes available under certain conditions, and this meter controls that. Eventually, I want to implement a skill tree so that players can unlock new abilities and attributes over time. I haven't fully decided how equipment will work yet, so that's probably going to stay on the back burner, at least until I'm further along in development. Well, that's it for this update. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.